Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video so stylish and latest collection of Pixi haircut in short hair. With beautiful hair dye. Very attractive and stylish hairstyling. And many much more latest ideas of Pixi haircut in short hair with beautiful hair dye, hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about haircut in Pixi in short hair. Some ideas: layered, deep layered. Some ideas: step, undercut. And so beautiful collection of choppy haircut, notching haircut. Some collection with bang, chin length bang, nose length bang. Very attractive ideas of hair dye. Blonde hair dye, different shade of blonde, lightly blonde, dark blonde, ash blonde. Gold blonde, and so attractive other shade of dye, burgundy color, black color. Light brown, dark brown, and some ideas in funky colors. Attractive collection of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. Stylish and beautiful collection of hairstyling. Fine hair hairstyle, wavy curly hairstyling. Some ideas wave and curl naturally, and some ideas make curl with curler. And beautiful spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut. And so beautiful, trendy and most demanding ideas of messy hairstyle. And many much more beautiful collection of Pixi haircut in short hair with beautiful hair dye, hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. Like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. New on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. So fan, thank you so much. You are watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll dive back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.